Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Granite Bracket. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for any contractor or homeowner. What type of brackets should I use? We offer three types of brackets: steel, aluminum, and industrial. Whether you're working on a heavy-duty construction project or a simple home renovation, choosing the right bracket is essential. Let's get started. Steel brackets are incredibly popular due to their strength and durability. They are ideal for heavy loads and they are the most cost effective. Here at Original Granite Bracket, we use half-inch American-made steel for our brackets, which offer both strength as well as a sleek finish. Next up, we have aluminum brackets. These are much lighter than steel brackets, making them easier to handle and install. They're a half-inch thick and they're resistant to corrosion, making them ideal for exterior environments. However, they do lack the same strength as steel, which limits their use in heavy load applications. Our patented industrial brackets are another option, primarily used in heavy-duty applications. They are also made from aluminum with a patented web design, making them corrosion-resistant as well. These brackets are an inch thick and can bear over 400 pounds per bracket. They are heavily suited for substantially sized projects. Some examples from floating shower benches, bathroom vanities, and overhangs over 20 inches. Let's compare these brackets side by side. For heavy-duty applications like supporting overhangs from 10 to 20 inches or large shelves, steel brackets are your best bet due to their superior strength. For shelving projects where weight is not a concern, like overhangs 6 to 12-inch range, aluminum brackets are a good choice. And for floating benches, floating vanities, and all exterior applications, the industrial aluminum brackets are the best choice. Each type of bracket has its unique strengths and ideal uses. A quick tip: always consider the load requirements and environmental conditions of your project when choosing brackets. Steel brackets offer the best all-around performance for most heavy-duty needs, while our aluminum brackets have their place in more specialized applications. Be aware that some companies sell very inexpensive brackets. Check to see if they are using American-made steel and not something imported that does not meet the same standards as is required in the building industry in the United States. If they are half the cost, there is a reason. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help choosing the right brackets for your next project, feel free to reach out to us here at theoriginalgranitebracket.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy building.